we're going to change the color of the fire breathing. I have a Unity plane here for the fire to collide with. Let's click fire body and play the particles. I think of the yellow as the hotter part of the fire. Let's do like a purple. And then I think of this orange here as the cooler part of the fire. So we can do like an indigo. And fire body is the only particle system where we need to change the color of the emission as well. Next is faux bloom. It's that fake bloom you can kind of see around the fire. You can click these notches and hit delete if you don't think you need them. Or you can click in this empty space to add them. We'll just do that. Then fire begin is this like blowtorch area. Smoke is the smoke. I imagine the color part of the smoke is what's reflecting the light that the fire gives off. Then sparks. Point light. You'll have to turn this object on to use it. You can turn off temperature mode if you like, if you want to use your RGB colors. And then fire collision, where the fire collides, these flames. And there's smoke that comes out of the face after you're done breathing fire. It's this system right here. I just keep it neutral since fire isn't reflecting it at that point. Just remember to turn the point light back off. Thanks.